Now we will show you how to change the handing direction. First, check the box. The handing model is LH or RH. LH is push the door from outside. So now this case is LH, and you will find the instruction how to change handing. First, use the Allen key to unfasten the screw in the hole behind latch bolt. Second, pull latch bolt out until the latch bolt away from the lock case. Third, rotate the latch bolt to adjust handing. Fourth, fasten the screw tightly into the hole and use screwdriver to flat locking piece forward twice to front side. This handing is completely reserved.